Understanding Snowstorm Advisory, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, snowstorm advisory. This is a common term you might encounter, especially during the winter months in many English-speaking countries. Understanding such phrases is not only crucial for enhancing your vocabulary but also for ensuring your safety during specific weather conditions. So, let's get started. When you hear the term, snowstorm advisory, it's referring to an official announcement or warning issued by weather services. This advisory is put out to inform the public of an upcoming snowstorm that, while not severe enough to warrant a more serious warning, could still significantly impact daily life and safety. The key elements of a snowstorm advisory include expected snowfall amounts, timing, and the potential impacts on travel and outdoor activities. It's important to differentiate between a snowstorm advisory and other weather alerts like watches and warnings. An advisory indicates that a snowstorm is imminent but is expected to be less severe. A watch means that severe weather, such as a heavy snowstorm, is possible in the area. A warning, on the other hand, signals that severe weather conditions are very likely to occur and pose a threat to life and property. Recognizing these differences can help you better prepare for what's ahead. Upon hearing a snowstorm advisory, it's crucial to take certain precautions to ensure your safety and minimize inconvenience. This might include adjusting travel plans, stocking up on essentials, and ensuring you have the necessary supplies to stay warm. It's also a good time to check on friends and family, especially those who might be more vulnerable to adverse weather conditions. Understanding the phrase, snowstorm advisory, and knowing how to react can make a significant difference in staying safe during the winter months. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance of weather advisories and how they can impact your plans and safety. Stay warm, stay safe, and remember, a little preparation goes a long way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.